I'm Jacob, and this is a short meditation to help ease anxiety and stress. Take a moment to position your body comfortably. Whether you're laying down or sitting, make any adjustments that would help you feel more at ease. Doing what feels right in finding your comfortable resting position. Now let's take a few breaths together. Take 2 sips of air in through the nose and allow the breath to release from your mouth. You might find it soothing to let out a sigh on the exhalation. And again. One more time. Draw your focus to any part of your body where you generally feel anxiety. It could be the chest, the throat, your gut. Or if you're unsure, then just focus on your entire body. And while you focus on this part of your body, repeat to yourself 3 times. I see you. I love you. I am safe. I see you. I love you. I am safe. I see you. I love you. I am safe. Allow your attention to follow the guidance of my voice, drawing it inward to the body and out of the mind. Your thoughts dissipating. Simply follow your attention through the body, bringing a gentle reminder of safety to all that it touches. Sensing your 10 toes simultaneously. Your feet, both legs, hips, pelvic floor, navel, chest, arms, your hands, and all 10 fingers. Feeling safe, at ease. Shoulders and traps, releasing tension. Neck, mouth, nose, ears, eyes, and your mind's eye center. Now sensing the whole front side of your body, simultaneously feeling safe, at ease, loved. And the whole back side of your body, the whole back side of your body, the left side of your body, the right side of your body, and your entire body, having released all residual tension, feeling safe, at ease, and loved. And now sense your entire body breathing, powered by the beautiful branches of your lungs, oxygenating your whole being so perfectly. Drawing your focus narrower onto your breath, feel the quality of the air entering and exiting your nose. And begin to count your exhalations, starting from 10 and descending to 1. Inhale 10, exhale 10. Inhale 9, exhale 9. As you count down from 10, each inhalation bringing in peace, and each exhalation releasing stress. Until you reach 1, when the most subtle amount of tension is removed from the body, leaving you feeling totally at ease. Move at your own pace, and if you lose track, simply start again, back at 10. Your attention flows with the counting, a gentle guide back to your breath. There's no rush, no destination. And now, once you've reached 1, and the most subtle amount of tension has left your body, repeat 3 times the affirmation, I see you, I love you, I am safe. Your body and being, a beautiful source of resilience, safety, and ease. Knowing full well that no matter what happens in your life, in your day, that this state exists within you, and you have the ability to access it. It is there for you when you need. Each breath now bringing about slightly more wakefulness. Welcoming in a sense of your surroundings. The earth beneath you, your environment, the sounds, the smells. When you feel ready, take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. And when you feel ready, allow more movement to find its way to your body, beginning with the most subtle movements of your fingers and toes. Eventually fluttering the eyes open, maybe rolling to your side for a few moments. Feel free to rest a little deeper, a little longer. Thank you for participating in this meditation. Feel into what your body is asking for, whether it's time to get up, or continue to lay or sit peacefully resting your body. I'd love to hear about how you enjoyed this practice, so please feel free to leave a comment below. And subscribe to my channel to practice with me again as I release frequent new content. I invite you to also explore my website, jacobmark.com, to discover other ways we can continue to practice together. Wishing you a peaceful day, and I hope to see you again soon.